The coronavirus is now being blamed for at least 17 deaths and hundreds of illnesses worldwide, including one in the U.S. The rapid escalation has U.S. airports taking heightened measures to prevent more spreading as China quarantines the city at the center of the outbreak. Fox News correspondent Rich Edson has the latest.
Officials say the first American to test positive for the new strain of coronavirus is doing well.
The patient continues to rest comfortably, appears in no distress.
Doctors in Washington state have been treating a man in his 30s who contracted the virus during a trip to central China near the city of Wuhan, the suspected epicenter of the outbreak. Officials say they are retracing his travel history and close contacts, looking for anyone with symptoms of the illness. In addition to fatalities, hundreds have been sickened, prompting Chinese officials to take the dramatic step of essentially quarantining the city. Outgoing flights are suspended along with public transportation out of the area, with many cases of the virus confirmed outside China. International airports are also on alert. Here in the U.S., enhanced screenings are in place in major hubs like New York, Atlanta, Los Angeles, and Chicago.
This is a focused, proactive response to make sure that these particular travelers are getting appropriate screening before they're able to move on to whatever their ultimate destination is.
Despite the growing concern, the World Health Organization has not declared an international health emergency.
Our team is on the ground in China as we speak, working with local experts and officials to investigate the outbreak and get more information.
Coronaviruses are groups of viruses that often result in mild to moderate respiratory illnesses, similar to a cold, but they can also cause more serious illness in those with weakened immune systems. In Washington, Rich Edson, Fox News.
New research shows pregnancy and breastfeeding may lower the risk of early menopause. Women with at least one full-term pregnancy had a lower risk of early menopause than those who had never been pregnant. Women who breastfed for at least 7 months also reduced the risk. The risk drops even more with each additional pregnancy. Spikes in your blood pressure when you're young could be a sign of bad heart health later on. That's according to a new study that looked at 30 years of blood pressure readings from almost 3,400 people. Researchers found variations in systolic blood pressure, or the upper number, by the age of 35 were associated with a higher risk of heart disease in middle age. Scientists say you should pay attention to any increases and ask your doctor about lifestyle changes that could help.